Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today we will be learning how to make Malabar Paratha in two different styles. Let's get started. Into a bowl, add all-purpose flour or maida. Add semolina or rawa. Add salt and pinch of sugar. Drop a whole egg. Add coconut oil. Heat some butter on a pan. Add this melted butter into the bowl. Add water. Mix these well. Knead it for 15 minutes into a dough. Once it's done, cover the dough in a cloth for at least 30 minutes. Once that's done, form dough balls. We can use this method as shown in the video to form equal dough balls. As the dough balls are done, pour coconut oil on top of the dough balls and spread it evenly. Now let us see the first style of making Malabar Paratha. On a clean kitchen countertop, start pressing the dough ball into a slightly thin circle with the help of greased palm. Alternatively, roll with the rolling pin. The shape doesn't matter at this stage. Now pull and stretch from side, making sure they are stretched as much as possible. You can use this palm up palm down technique to give it a good stretch. Once it's well stretched, add some maida and coconut oil. And spread them evenly. Now start creating pleats by folding with the help of fingers. Roll the pleated dough like a Swiss roll. Secure the end by pressing gently. Rest the ball for 5 minutes. Start pressing the ball into a slightly thin circle with the help of greased palm. Alternatively, roll with the rolling pin. Do not roll too thin as you won't be able to enjoy the layers. Into a hot pan, add coconut oil. and place the rolled paratha. After a minute, flip off and cook the other side. Crush the paratha to form layers. Our Malabar Paratha is ready. Now let us see the second style of making Malabar Paratha. On a clean kitchen countertop, start pressing the dough ball into a slightly thin circle with the help of greased palm. Alternatively, roll with the rolling pin. The shape doesn't matter at this stage. Stretch from sides, making sure they are stretched as much as possible. Once they are well stretched, pour coconut oil and spread evenly. Cut these using a knife as shown in the video. Roll the ends close to each other as shown in the video. Now roll it like a Swiss roll. Secure the end by pressing gently. Rest the ball for 5 minutes. Now start pressing the ball into a slightly thin circle with the help of greased palm. Alternatively, roll with the rolling pin. Do not roll too thin as you won't be able to enjoy the layers. Into a hot pan, add coconut oil. Place the rolled paratha. After a minute, flip off and cook the other side. Crush the paratha to form layers as we did in style 1. Our Malabar Paratha is ready. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Press the red button, which is absolutely free. Press the bell icon for notifications. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.